Hey guys, what's up? It's Valeria, and I forgot to do an outro, so I'm going to do it right now. This video is a 2 looks in 1 palette with the Morphe 39A and the Dare to Create palette. I just wanted to make a video and show you guys how you can go from like super grungy to super natural per se. You could do day looks and whatnot. Okay, so we're gonna talk about a couple of things before we get into the video. Let's talk about the most obvious thing ever. Yeah, I got my nose pierced. I'm super excited. I've been wanting to do my nose piercing for years now, and you know, I'm actually happy. It hurts. It's sore. I just got it yesterday. The next thing is I decided to change my name. So my YouTube name used to be highsirens, and now I'm going to change it to Fluorescence UV. One of the reasons is because I just felt like highsirens wasn't really me. First of all, I wanted to go with UV, but ultraviolet, and it's just well too known, and now it's just like I can make it my own way. So I love, like, you have no idea, I love anything that glows in the dark. I have so much glow in the dark makeup, it's ridiculous. So I thought I just wanted to incorporate more like UV, like my style. I feel like that fits me personally. So that's why instead of saying fluorescent, which is too strong, I wanted something softer. So now that's why I made it Fluorescence. The UV is gonna be for more like, instead of ultraviolet, it's ultra Valeria. That's one of the things I wanted to give you guys. I hope you guys like the new name switch up. I feel like I'm growing more into my channel. I'm getting the hang of things, you know. I know what I want to post in the future. I know what type of content I want to start bringing out. And so I'm really excited. I mean, of course, it takes baby steps until you can get the whole picture. Now, let's get started into this makeup video. I hope you guys are excited, and if you guys want more looks with this palette, please let me know and enjoy these 2 looks. Peace out, y'all. Alright, y'all, so first thing I'm going to do is just use concealer on my eye, and I'm just using concealer as my primer for today, and just with a beauty sponge just blend it out. I'm going to use the shade Vibrant from the palette, and I'm going to put that all over my crease. The brush I'm using is the Sigma E40. All I'm just really doing is kind of just packing on the color first, and then I'll blend out. All you're really going to do is like you're extending your wing, and you're going to go from the inner corner, so you're like I guess your nose bridge would come in, so where your nose bridge starts, and then you follow your natural crease. You just flick it up like if you're doing your own wing. So you're mimicking a wing basically. Now that I have it a little bit more blended out, I'm going to use my dual-ended Urban Decay brush, and I'm just going to pat the same color Vibrant from the palette. And I'm just going to pat it right on my crease because that's where I want the most pigment. Just making sure I'm blending out the outer edges of where I pack the color so it looks really seamless and blended. Don't be scared to go back with your Sigma E40 just to blend everything out. From the flat side of the Urban Decay eyeshadow, I'm going to use the shade Snatched, and I'm going to pack that all over my eyelid. I'm going to use, so with my Morphe M506, I'm going to use the shade Vibrant again, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line just to smoke it out and connect everything. With the same brush, I'm going to go in with Passion, and I'm just going to deepen the outer corner a little bit more. So if you feel like you brought it a little bit too low or something, all you really have to do, if you have your foundation on and everything, what I like to do is just use my beauty blender and where I put my concealer just to clean it up, and it just gives it like a winged out shape. It gives it like a clean, you know, look. Now that the lower lash line is completed, I'm going to use, or what I'm going to do is use the shade Spark. It's like a very light pink as my inner corner highlight, you know, just to give it a little bit of dimension. Then with my Makeup Shack brush, just to blend out the outer edges. And the brush is the T14. Actually, I'm going to switch that up and pack it on. Pack it on with that one. Look how pretty that is. Now what I'm going to do is use the LA Girl Glided Gel Liner in black, very black. And I'm just going to tightline and do my waterline. Okay, for the liner, next thing, I'm not going to talk through this because it's really hard and I'm going to fast forward. But the next thing is that what I'm going to use is my Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Eye Booster and Eyeliner and Serum in very black. I really like this one to create like a really thin, dramatic liner. Mainly thin because it's really hard for me to do that. And I can do that with this liner. But it's not pigmented enough for me. So what I'm going to do is cover it over with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black. And for my lip liner, I actually use Bad Habit from ColourPop with my Bite Beauty lipstick in Retsina. And so I feel like a muted lip will look good because I tried, honestly, did like 3 fucking looks and I was like, oh my god, I'm over it. And a baby pink, like a muted baby pink, will look cute. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I have my lashes on. I wanted to do something really, really small, you know, because I wanted the eye to be the dramatic. But you can always wear, you know, dramatic lashes. It's up to you. But I personally prefer, I wanted to show the eye off. So that's what I did. Okay guys, so this is going to be the second look. I wanted to go for something more in the greens, in the olives. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm just going to use concealer to prime my eyelid. Okay, so now that my eyelids are primed, all I'm going to do is just go onto the palette. So for the first shade I'm going to use is Transitional. It's Transitional, and I'm going to use my Makeup Shack T88 brush. And I'm just going to pack that into the crease. And make sure to bring it into the inner corner. So now with my Morphe M166, I'm going to use the shade So Glam. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. Make sure you pack it on and then swipe. With a pencil brush, I'm going to use Chromatic, and I'm going to put it in the middle of my eye. And then on my outer corner, I'm going to use Expose. So all you really got to do is just kind of outline your outer corner. And now that you blend it out, you can go back again with your blending brush and just blend it out. Just smoke that liner. So this is a really easy smoky eye, and it doesn't take that much blending because the warm tones just match, and you know, they blend out so nicely, so it doesn't require a lot of blending. So I feel like this is going to be a really good beginner's look. Now I'm just going to do the lower lash line, and I'm going to use my Time Los Angeles 205 brush, and I'm going to first go in with Fickle just to pack that in. So then with my Makeup Shack T88 and the transitional shade, the Leftovers, I'm just going to smoke it out a little bit so it looks a little bit more blended out, and you know, you have a little transition color. Then with my Morphe E43, I'm going to use the color Pine. I'm just going to put in my lower lash line. I'm just going to tightline with the shade Pine. All into the inner corner, whatever's left over my pencil brush, I just make sure it connects to the pine and the fickle color. There you go. For my lower lash line, what I'm going to do is use my LA Girls Glided Gel Eyeliner in deep bronze. Then again, with my flat shader brush, I'm just going to clean up that eyeliner. Okay, now for the wing, I'm going to use my same liquid liner and from NYX in matte black, and I'm just going to make a quick line. So I'm just going to stay quiet throughout this. So what I'm using is my Urban Decay Heavy Glitter Liner in Midnight Cowboy, and I'm just going to use that as an inner corner highlight. Okay, so this is the look right now. I'm just going to do mascara and lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. You guys saw a close-up of the eyes, and now I'm going to do the lips. I'm going to teach you how to pair it. Lip liner in Bonus Points from ColourPop, and I'm just going to line my lips with a darker brown. I'm just going to outline it, and then I'm going to use my matte liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors in the shade Knock on Wood. And then to top it off, I want to use like a very nice gold lip topper, and this is from Jouer called Skinny Dip. Remember, like a year ago, this was big. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in the middle. Oh man, I hope you guys can see the difference it gives. It just gives such a glowing. Wow, this has to be my favorite lip combo. It looks so good. Okay guys, so this is how you do look number 2. I wanted to go with like a little cheetah print shirt because I feel like, you know, it goes very, very nice with the bronze, the necklace, the hair bun, you know. So I hope you guys like this look. Oh yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, tell your mamas, tell your babies, tell your homegirls. Tell everybody, okay? Don't hide them. Tell them, okay? Bye, guys.